What we have today is a Cricut EasyPress Mini that's malfunctioning. This is essentially a tiny iron with 3 heat settings. The beeping pattern may indicate a specific fault, but Cricut doesn't appear to define it anywhere publicly. So let's take this apart and see what caused it to fail. My goal is to document this take apart for anyone who needs to repair these in the future. Actually, fixing it would be a bonus. There are no external screws and no seams on the white plastic housing, so the red plastic looks like the best place to start. Yes, I know the screwdriver is going to leave marks. All right, one side is off, but I broke a clip. The two halves clip to each other and to the white housing. Each half is slightly different, so it might be easier to start with the non-logo side first. Removing the handle exposes 2 screws and confirms my suspicion that the white housing slips down over the main part of the iron. I wasn't sure if the white housing had clips holding it to the gray trim, so I tacked that first. Turns out that's not the right avenue. So it turns out there are 4 clips, 2 on each side at the top, that hold the housing to the black insert.
Aha.
Be careful when sliding the housing up. I broke off what looks like a programming or test connector from the button and LED board. I opted to cut the power cable to pull it through, but that's certainly not necessary if your goal is to repair. The button and LED board is held in by 2 screws. The button insert and the LED pipes are held in by the board. Overall, the build quality is decent, but I found an extra wire nut just floating around inside. Odd. The boards are connected by a small jumper that can be unplugged. The black plastic has 2 screws holding it to the sole plate assembly. Here I'm cutting the cables to make the teardown easier. Obviously, if your goal is to repair, then you wouldn't cut them. Then the gray plastic section has 2 screws. The white tube in the middle is the temperature sensor. The other 2 wires go to the heating coil via a thermal fuse. You can see it held in by a clip and a screw. The thermal fuse has continuity, so that doesn't appear to be the issue. For giggles, I tested the resistance in the temperature sensor. The heating coil that goes through the sole plate should have continuity, but its testing is open. The sole plate is a solid casting, so that's as far as we can go, and no repair is possible. I'll keep the temperature sensor and thermal fuse for other projects and recycle the rest. If you have a malfunctioning EasyPress Mini and attempt to repair it, I hope this video helps you. Leave a comment with what you find so others can learn. Thanks for watching.